calves are gentle, soft, and love staying close to their moms.
That's right! They drink milk from their moms, learn how to walk, and even play in the fields all day.
Just like your family helps you, feeding you, teaching you, and giving you hugs.
Baby calves can't take care of themselves when they're born, so their moms help them grow big and strong.
And when calves are happy, they jump, wiggle, and make the funniest sound. Here comes our special song, the Baby Calf Song.
All right, my little farmers! Are you ready to jump and sing with our friend?
Down by the barn where the tall grass grows, there's a little one everyone knows with tiny hooves and a wiggly nose. Baby calf, baby calf, baby calf, jump and laugh, jump and laugh, jump and laugh. Moo, 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 and a wiggle in the grass. Baby calf, baby calf, baby calf. Spots on your coat like a polka dot dream. Milkshake eyes with a chocolatey gleam. You're the cutest thing I've ever seen. Baby calf, baby calf, baby calf, jump and laugh, jump and laugh, jump and laugh. Moo, 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 and a wiggle in the grass. Baby calf, baby calf, baby calf. Can you hop, can you skip, can you spin around? Can you move, can you chew, can you touch the ground? Baby calf, let's go make some sound. Baby calf, baby calf, baby calf, jump and laugh, jump and laugh, jump and laugh. Moo, 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 and a wiggle in the grass. Baby calf, baby calf, baby calf.
Wow! That was so much fun, friends! Our little calf sure can dance!
Thanks for singing and learning with us today.
Don't forget, we've got another fun song coming tomorrow. You don't want to miss it!
Always stay connected so you can join every adventure.
See you next time, Super Singers!